Okode peace talk. Eno am din kan bebobo so kan se mi kire wo se.
Yeah.
Krom ha ye wo no. Africa fo ankasa no ye ne ye hu no ma no ne ye din. Africa ni.
Yeah. The crap part.
Sabi so Jimia, ti se wo gina Jimia no so punish no.
Ansana
na dwene na ye ne ya dwe no. Eti se nwo ada no. Enwo a esi air condition mu no ada. Nti wan fa janto akira enye adwuma. Eno me ne me boss ba ko bi di komo.
Okay.
O say Africa hadie. But the virtue of our nature ninti no.
Yes.
So obi wo ha sabi say odin sem hunu na waka kire no say nsem hu na wo die no. Nti nsem hu ne punishment wo nyaya na wo de ade. Na wo de amano ye nkrokro no. Ye
nkrokro no.
Bibini no ye nkrokro no. Bi ko bibini asabi o jimi di obejimi akose na ade. Bibini na dwen ye adwuma de. Na dwen nye adwuma saa.
Ti so na body ne bre. Body ne bre.
Adwene so anya adwuma. Body ne so bre. Nti na be ka no. Say whoever sat down with the FA president,
yes,
whoever brought that idea on the table,
so no.
Obi this anim de ne ba ye ne bia perfect.
Okay.
Because ye tie na say Dr. Kweku Otin eye na dwene say okọ nsrehwe, okọ aprabo, okọ to, ni nyuma wa bie NG group of companies edoso
wo ba bia.
It is so ye na dwene say okọ to a ankanya bone. But so ka say okọ peace store. Peace store no e dey enti na wo ma ye peace store.
Ken ansa na peace ne kra na ye de be ka asem no. Na wo obi asi wo ba bi o ken.
Enti wo call peace store when there is problem. When there are issues.
Yeah.
Yo ade bi wo ha nimpa no oye nimpa ba ko pe. Ontumi nko ba bia na ni ntumi nhwe ba bia. Enti na ye installing nkofo so be ye duma ne dey ade. E dey ama na namsifo. And those in Crawford are people they have to ensure say the man be juma
because the man kromo kan bi no mo draft ye
yes ya just say ya try mra to ho ya draft mra aye ya dwene say these are the laws of the game when mra ye de bo game no
now so bi no ma
the bia metaka asem we say me say ignorant of the law there is no excuse ignorant of the law there is no excuse
king
ni yeti hai na NG TV na comfort ha no mu di nsem hunu
ni ya show mo
no mu di nsem hunu na management no mu hwe san comfort then you need Dr. Kweku Otin to intervene there the management na wa no so mu gu no faso bi no bi aso I'm telling you
they are not being competent if
you are not being competent enough
the issues and answer juma the amount can obey
because each and every one is being paid according to juma na the amount no job description
of course
your amount she says so juma ni ya do wasi baby ano you division 1 league board you division 1 league board Elfe nankasa disciplinary committee
exactly ethics committee so sign
ethics committee and so
but still and
mama videos of hooliganism Obiade to Trasama, you need the FA president to go and beg the person. Sir, Kopana ye poache bono for the love of the game. Ye nano juma ye kreti ne sika wom into obianto masa needless.
Emfa kasachire de emfa o ken. Ye start kasachire ho nyene.
Ntokonu me basa, ntokonu ebe basa because writing or say ye de ye okrum.
Yes, ye
and no matter right, we don't do it. Yeah. And just look at the rate of hooliganism in Division 1. And Makachev said, second round, boy, you better record high cases.
Oh, yeah. Now, first round, be no more, there is no
because
deterrence.
Second round, second round, this is the time when any brain beba. Because this is the time when clubs need be pray for qualification to the Premier League. And this is the time when clubs need be pray for survival to be in the Division 1. Yeah. Ayen Timotu omo enko Division 2. What does the law says? What does the law says? Emrano eseden. Yabu obi ewo manafo up to now. Yes, Elfena Mayatia say they don't have the powers to arrest. Understood? Yatia say Elfena doesn't have the powers to arrest.
Okay.
But in the video, we saw say clearly there were security personnel and those security personnel, were the powers to arrest.
What were they doing there? as security personnel, they work with a kobobain. Supporters
baby. No argument. And someone who
yes,
so obey your training steward. No, she togas. No, I could one no credit. Born no kwa analyze it. Will be a one cobon in Pahobai. Will be a one more game in Hobai.
More game no. On one crana sign.
When and how are we going to improve as a country? Near to me, because in some no, it's getting worse. In some no, and when there is freedom and liberty, these are some of the things I may encounter our system in him. When there is freedom and liberty, these are some of the things we will encounter in our system.
Obi abuse freedom no, obi abuse liberty no can. Yes, supporters come on park. In the first place, you've breached that particular protocol. Park. Because
the moment
there is no, I mean, come on.
People are not thinking about the ramifications of Dr. Ketioke's yes. People are not thinking about the ramifications. A baby bit is set in say we do ha na sasamba
yes
na say NGO TV na NGO TV management for me and so Dr. Kweku Otin ebeba mu a those nkofo no mudi nsamo will never respect the management. I'm telling you,
because anamoti wana ye sabi yedi mu asam na mo hweye
na doctor na doctor na emeka the management you know there will be no respect.
Yeah, because you are there being as a simpapani uti hono na wo hweye keke.
So if Oreketo Keku want his members to be respected by the Division 1 League teams, you know, any almost supporters, he doesn't need to intervene and go to them and plead. Any person no kopacho no was so young so the man to scare the other ones.
Of course.
Or some of them run here you need to stamp your authority. You need to stamp your authority. Or some of them run here and by so doing, you know, you use that particular opportunity to put fear into the others.
The moment you set one team and have some supporters as a scapegoat, no, it will deter other people. Number someone say, almost so kwa yebi because don't say yebi. Na nipa no ye and yachano. You're jailing the 6 months. Intimately yebi at the back of your mind.
Yes, or no super but what you know, Nim say every president in the Babano patch out there, and so the store. I think you come on pep talk, baby, uncle for your team. I do it. Netano for quoting your TNA. Your teeth turn off for qua.
It's just bad. It's just bad.
And so a year pep team. Your tea,
be united.
Be united. Your team be united.
So do they need pep talk?
Come on, orientation. How to comport themselves.
Come on. The GFA has to man up. No one take certain decisions.
Me di besiha. Me di mensam no ebesiha. But in America say, if we live in an environment, if we live in a society, when we allow people to do what they want, sometimes they do baby a bejin semo.
Yes. And
if you pamper people to fool, next time when baby a ujina ombegu ni mwasa, ebia na ujina bedwem. Ebia wona ofari fo bi na yede ejina ho obaba be wo ni wase obehu na ode aba because oye okokomu ayede when tumi anka ne yie.
That's very true, Ken. Yan kama monti ase say game ne de e was say okwa no. Don't attach so emotions. Referees no make mistakes, Ken. Yan monti ase say the referees are human beings. They do mistakes.
Emotions ne de is part of the game. Because they shouldn't attach so much emotions. Emotions beba.
Yes.
Emotions are part of the game.
Yes.
But the thing is, when the person does it more than he is expected to do, then that is the term sanctions. Or you know, bros one of the sanctions now. It's so simple. It's so simple.
Yeah.
Nippon man bros a emotional game, so you can't tell somebody say, "Mama, nifana kubo bi o di has a team nechino." And when we were doing radio, you won't go for on the radio. Ne mahano nti baby editing ni change station obo ha on the two are not the glue are so nti wuchim na nko sani pano sa station wo kan ho asemboni wo kan den on ho ano that is it. That is the nature of the game. No you supportable has na no pe
some ye den
the has na no pe, so you can't do away with the emotions attached to the game. But the thing is, when the person overdoes it, Oyema ne brosua, that is where you need to implement the laws. And when also with them run here to man,